Good morning children, welcome to MBM classes. Today let us see some more questions in the chapter linear graph. The question is, complete the table of values for each equation and draw the respective graphs. Here the table is given. Y is equal to x plus 5 is the equation and they are given the values of x to be taken, that is 0, 4 and 7. First we have to take the value of x as 0. So let us find the value of y. The equation is y is equal to x plus 5. I am going to take the value of x as 0, which is equal to 0 plus 5. So the value of y is equal to 5. So in this column I am going to replace the value of y as 5 for the value of x as 0. Next, take the value of x as 4. Now, second value of x is 4. So, I take the value of x as 4 in the equation y is equal to x plus 5. So, put the value of x as 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So, in front of 4 in the table, I am going to take the value of y as 9. Next, the value of x is 7. Calculate the value of y. Y is equal to x plus 5, which is equal to 7 plus 5 equal to 12. Now these are the three values I am getting. Using these values, now let us plot these points in the graph. So below this you write what are the points you are going to plot. It is 0, 5. Here it is 4, 9 and here it is 7, 12. So now let us plot these points in the graph. So this is the graph. First one, that is y is equal to x plus 5. Now in this, first you plot the values 0, 5. Now x is 0 and y is 5. So you find on x is 0. If x is 0, already I said in the previous video, the coordinates lies on the y-axis. So if x is 0 and y is equal to 5. So this is the point, x is 0 and y is equal to 5. Second point, coordinates is x is 4 and y is 9. So here on x-axis you choose the point 4 and y-axis you choose the point 9. So as I said earlier, you had to mark the intersection point. So this is the point. The intersection point of 4 and 9 is this point. So this is the coordinates 4, 9. Next one is 7, 12. So on x-axis you take 7 and on y-axis it is 12. So again it is the intersection point of 7 and 12. Always remember, take the uniform scale. I have taken in multiples of 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here also 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Now you have to join these points. So this is the graph you have made. Now on this line you write the equation y is equal to x plus 5. This is how you draw the graph of this linear equation. Now let us move on to the second one, how to plot the points after calculating the values in the table. Now first let us take these x values as 0, 3, 4 and one more value let us take, it is 5. So first your equation is y is equal to 2x minus 3. First my x value is 0. So this is equal to 2 into 0 minus 3. This is equal to 0 minus 3 minus 3. Second, so in front of 0 you write minus 3 and the coordinates are 0, minus 3. Second one, y is equal to 2x minus 3. The value of x is 3. So 2 into 3 minus 3. It is equal to 6 minus 3. It is equal to 3. So the value of y is 3. Next, y is equal to 2x minus 3. Take the value of x as 4. 2 into 4 minus 3, which is equal to 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So the third value of y is 5. Next, y is equal to 2x minus 3, or 2 into 5 minus 3, 10 minus 3, which is equal to 7. So when x is 5, y is equal to 7. Now write the coordinates over here, 3, 3, 4, 5, and here 5, 7. So now let us plot these points in the graph. So this is the second equation, which is y is equal to, this is the graph of the second equation, y is equal to 2x minus 3. Now first coordinate is 0, minus 3. So 0 on the x-axis and minus 3 on the y-axis. So don't forget, minus 3 lies behind the x-axis line. So this is the point 0, minus 3. Second one is 3, 3. Now it is the intersection point of x3 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis. So this is the point 3, 3. Next one is 4, 5. So 4 on x-axis and 5 on, this is the point 5 on y-axis. So this is the point 4, 5. Next is 5, 7. So you mark this point 5. You can extend the line as and when required. So now next point is 5, 7. So this is the point, intersection point of 5 in x-axis and 7 in y-axis. So this is 5, 7. Now if you are going to join all these points, it is going to be in a straight line. Since it is a linear equation, the graph of the linear equation will always be a straight line. So on this line you write y is equal to 2x minus 3. You mean linear equation means the degree of the variable x is 1. So you will get a linear equation. The degree, when the degree of the variable is 1, highest degree, then it is called as a linear equation, and the graph of the linear equation is always a straight line. If you are not getting a straight line, it shows that some mistake you have made in the calculation in the table and you have to recheck it. Hope you understood how to plot the graph when the table is given. Let us move on to the next question. Here you have to draw the graph of the function y is equal to 5x. After drawing the graph, you have to, from the graph, you have to find the value of y when x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 6. First, as usual, I am going to make the table. Here, your wish, whatever values you want to take, you can take the value of x. Minimum 2 values you can take, and maximum how many more values if you want to take, you can take. So I have taken 6 values of x and finding the 6 values of y using this equation y is equal to 5x. So when x is 0, I got the answer as 0. When x is 1, I got it as value of y as 5. This goes on. So I have taken 5 and 6 also in order to verify whether my value is right in the graph. You can also take. Now let me plot the graph. So when x is 0, the value of y is 0. Now when x is 1, value of y is 5. X is 2, value of y is 2. X is 3, it is 15. X is 4, it is 20. 5, it is 25. 6, it is 30. Now let me join this graph. Now after joining, they are asking what is the value of y when x is equal to 5. Now you, by dotted lines, you find out the intersection point when x is equal to 5. What is my value of y? So here I am able to find. So this is the intersection point 5, 25. Similarly, they are asking for the value of x is equal to 6. So find out the intersection point of x is equal to 6 and the value of y. So it is 6, 30. So you can write when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 25, and when x is equal to 6, y is equal to 30. You can write from the graph, when x is equal to 5, the value of y is 25, and when x is equal to 6, the value of y is equal to 30. Always take equal intervals in x-axis and equal intervals of values in y-axis. Here I am taking in the multiples of 5 because from the table I can understand all are multiples of 5. So I have taken the equal intervals, the difference as 5. 1 square is equal to 5 units. Here 1 square is equal to 1 unit. So in this way you have to plot the graph. Plot the values in the graph. Here you are able to again observe the value. After plotting, after joining the points, I am able to observe it. I am getting a straight line. And whenever there is no constant, then this will pass through the origin. This is also in this way also you can check whether your linear equation graph is right or not. Whenever there is no constant, the straight line will pass through the origin. In the previous example, there was a constant, so you could have seen that it was not passing through the origin. See, this is the earlier example. Here the equation was y is equal to x plus 5. Here the constant is there without any variable. So, the graph was not passing through the origin in both the cases. Here also you are having a constant as minus 3. So, it was not passing through the origin. So, whenever there is no constant, the graph, the straight line will pass through the origin. This graph is always of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is one x term, y term and a constant term. Whenever there is no constant, it will pass through the origin just like here. Hope you have understood how to plot the graph and how we are getting a straight line, how to find the value of y when x value is given.